Hi everyone, Ishani from ARGOS Labs here. Today I'm going to show you how you can automate an online research and reporting task. As usual, let's check our display settings. We want 1920 by 1080 in resolution and 100% in size. Okay, now let's get started. So here's your situation. Let's say that you work at an investment firm and your Monday starts with visiting this website that contains investment market data, and your job is to make a report and send it to your boss. Something you have been wishing that you could automate. Well, let's do that. So I already have step 1 of this scenario made here, which is a very simple step. It opens Chrome and accesses to the website that contains the data I need to collect. In this case, CB Insights. So let's just run it first. Okay, so this is where we start today. We will automate the login process. So first I'm going to add a new step and add a type text operation. This operation is to add my email, so I'm going to type in my email in the value box here. Okay. Then I'm going to add a type keys operation and press tab and make sure to click this plus button to add it. This action is to move to the password box. So now I'm going to add one more type text operation to enter our password. But before I type it in here, I want to explain something. So you know that typing any password is something you should be very careful about all the time. So instead of typing it directly to the scenario, I would like to encrypt it. So do you see this lock button right over here? Let's click it and then type the password. This is a nice little feature. It will hide your password from whoever is editing the scenario in the future. Now I need one more type keys operation. And I'm going to press enter and click add. Okay, this should get me logged into the website. Now I want to take it to a test run, but before I do that, I know CB Insights website is very slow, so I'll make sure to add enough delay at all my actions. Maybe 1.5 seconds will be enough. So I'm just going to add that to every single action that I just did. Okay, done. Okay, now the login process automation has been built, so let's take it to a test run. Okay, great, it worked. Now I'm going to use AutoRec for the rest of my movements. This time I go to Tools and select AutoRec. And make sure to choose App Mode and hit Start. Now I just need to click this pull-down menu to open it where I have already registered my Monday report. So from the keyboard, press down arrow and return. Now the website has executed my research. So I click this box to choose all my results. And I need to export this to Excel by pressing this Excel button. Okay, let's ignore this error message for now and I will stop this AutoRec and save. Let's see. So Here's my action where I pressed the down arrow and return, but the robot misinterpreted it, so I need to fix it. So I'm going to add a type keys action here and put the down arrow. Then I'm going to add another type keys action and put return. Now I can delete this type text action. And I'm going to give both of these actions that I just added 1.5 second delay again. And the research execution took little time, so before I check this little box, I will give it 5 seconds. So for this action, give it 5 seconds. This should be good, and give 2 additional seconds for the Excel export. So over here. Okay, let's run it. There. It ran perfectly, and the error message should go away once you subscribe to the service. Okay everyone, that's it for today. See you next time and happy automation!